Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a shipboard automation module by MTU Friedrichshafen, used in a very limited number of ships, and had been out of commission for a year before coming in. It's a computer used on ships to monitor for specific inputs and acts as a controller. The unit would not boot up correctly and had issues with shorts. We rebuilt and repaired the module, and our video shows that the unit now boots as it should. ERD took less than 3 weeks with this repair, and we return consistent quality repairs. So if you need a repair done right, call today for your quote.